Ladies and gentlemen, this is Justin Case of American Newscape. Please join us as I interview Sarah Wisdom with the Yuma County Libraries, all about Yuma County Library happenings. Hello, Sarah. What do you have for us?
Hello. Glad to see everybody again this week. I have some really exciting events coming up. The first one is an open house for technology that we have. We were fortunate enough to receive a grant from the state library that allowed us to purchase some new technology as well as some program supplies. What our goal is with this project is to expose teens and children to more STEM related programming and projects. STEM is science, technology, engineering, and math. And this is very, very important in the school curriculums now. So, what we're doing is supporting our local school curriculum and helping advance the exposure to science and technology, engineering, and math. So, this open house is an opportunity for everybody to come in and see some of the new technology. And this is everything from 3D printers to programmable little robots called Ozobots. We have program supplies that we're going to offer to kids at several branches. For teens, it's more coding and programming, where for younger kids, it's more construction and experiments. But basically anything and everything we can do to get them interested in the sciences. So we're really excited. We're so fortunate to receive this funding from the state library, and we really hope that people come and see the different technology we have. It should be pretty cool. I don't think you've seen anything like it yet. So that is at the main library this Wednesday from 2 to 4 p.m. The next program I want to tell you about is called Filmed in Yuma, and we have a librarian on staff who is very passionate about Yuma's film history. Yuma and the surrounding area, I should say, has been the site for quite a few films, scenes. We've had a number of big name films. Probably the most recent one was the latest Jumanji movie. There's a scene that takes place in a desert, which happens to be the Imperial Sand Dunes, just 16 miles outside of Yuma. So what Jim has done is put together a complete slideshow with film clips and photos, and he shares stories that he knows about celebrities, directors that have stayed here in the area while they're filming. Once in a while during these programs, we'll have somebody come in who is actually an extra in a film, and they'll have a story about what that was like. So it's always a really good time. We never know what we're going to learn from these programs, but it's always a lot of fun. And if you have even just a little interest in movies, it's just kind of fun to find out what celebrities have been through Yuma and where they've been, and what parts of Yuma have been featured on the big screen. The final program I want to tell you about is a multicultural story time that's going to happen at our Heritage Library. And basically what they're doing is just putting a new twist on their story time. Story times are always a great opportunity for early literacy skills and socialization skills for younger children. And what they're doing is the books and activities they're going to select will reflect a different culture each time they offer it. So they're going to try this out and see how our international twist works on regular story time. And hopefully it'll be fun for the kids and the parents as well. If you'd like to learn more about these programs and all the amazing things going on at Yuma County Libraries, you can visit us online at yumalibrary.org. We're also on Facebook and Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and slightly dabbling in YouTube, but you can find us on the web.
Thank you, Sarah. This has been Justin Case with Sarah Wisdom, presenting Yuma County Library happenings. Thanks for joining us. Please experience your library and support this channel. Thank you.